Hello lovely, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing okra gel for hair moisturize.
Hard to get to know me, the better than the light.
This is my okra. You can make use of fresh okra, frozen one. It will still come out so well and slimy. If you want to see how I make this easy okra gel, keep watching. Let me slice the okra again before blending. So lovely. If you have any okra at home, do not throw it away. You can keep it for fridge or freezer. Anytime you want to make use of it, you can just bring it out to create your hair mask at home. Now let me start blending the okra septum. After blending, I will boil the okra for some few minutes. Then I will leave it to get cold before I will filter it.
Silencing my mind, trying to be patient but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by.
So look at the okra gel is ready to use. As you can see, I will apply the gel from the roots of the hair to the tip.
I just wanna understand everything that matters here. The teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade away? You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day.
I finish moisturizing the hair, I will cover it with shower cap. I will just leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes. So after rinsing the hair, I will apply avocado oil. You can use any oil that you have at home. It can be coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil. This is my first time to use okra gel for hair moisturize. The hair come out so wet and soft. I really love the result.
No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day.
So lovely. Look at the hair. I am come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching my video, for your lovely support. I really appreciate. See you all in my next video. Goodbye.